Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Bot Father and selecting your bot. This is where you control language-specific settings. Once done, copy the bot token or confirm the bot username so you can call the API. Make sure to decide which language code you need, for example, N or EAS. You must prepare all localized command lists and messages now because Telegram will show whatever you register under each language code. Begin with the first API action. Set my commands using your bot token and a language code parameter. Now you register commands per language. Call the Set My Commands endpoint with your bot token and include language code equals Roman 20 plus the JSON commands array. This tells Telegram which command list to display for users with that language preference. While registering, include translated descriptions and ensure command names match your bot logic. Once commands are accepted, test by switching your Telegram app language or simulating the user locale. You should see the localized command list appear. If not, resend the Set My Commands payload with correct. Finish by serving localized messages inside your bot logic. Detect the user's locale field or ask them directly, then pick the corresponding translation bundle and send text, buttons, and help screens in that language. Make sure to localize inline keyboard labels and callbacks too, because commands alone are not sufficient. Once implemented, test different locale flows thoroughly. If Telegram still shows the wrong commands, clear previously set commands by calling Delete My Commands or rerun Set My Commands with an empty list, then reapply. This fixes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.